Hi, this is our IP67 warm white LED light strip. The strip is encased in a flat silicon tube and is still flexible enough to go around corners. It is 5 metres long and 12 millimetres wide. It has 300 LEDs. That's 60 LEDs per metre. The power requirement for this strip is 12 volt DC and the current draw is 2.25 amps. Power supplies are available in our eBay store. The strip is easy to cut. Just follow the markings on the strip. Once you cut the strip, be sure to reseal the strip with silicone, available at Bunnings or hardware stores. These strips come with a remote control. With the remote control, you can dim the light at pre-programmed settings, or you can make it flash or strobe, or just simply turn it on or off. Okay, well that's our video for the warm white IP67 LED strip. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions please give me a call on 0451 175 440.